Hello friends, welcome to my channel and welcome back today again and another Bitcoin video. Now I show the Bitcoin news. Also, first of all, you search the Bitcoin news today and go to the news section and then filter the 24 hours. So I will describe everything the Bitcoin news, what's the market going on and why the market falling down. First I open the first website. Here you can see top cryptocurrency price today: Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Solana zoom up to 6%. Here you can see market is going to down randomly. Then I go to the second news. Cryptocurrency price today: Bitcoin price is still at 20 on 1000, but still the Bitcoin price is 20,199.50 USD. So Bitcoin price is down randomly. Then I go to the third news. In the third news you can see cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase stock admin price collapse. Then I go to the next one. What happens if Bitcoin falls below 20,000? If the Bitcoin down in 20,000, what's going on? Here the detail of this article you can read here and understand why the market going down. After that you can see this crypto cash latest update 6/15. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Matic, Doge, Cardano, BNB fall up to 30%. In this currency fall up to 30%. Here you can see also Fast Move Asia. Traders see Bitcoin falling to 2017 leaves amid ongoing inflation, economic concerns, crypto struggles. The latest digital asset by market ship below 20,000. Here you can see Bitcoin 8.77%, Ethereum 11.09%, BNB 8.05%, XRP 2.86%, and BUSD 0.07%. You can see the Budget Genius. Then you can see cryptocurrency price today rebounded as Bitcoin, Ether, Dogecoin and Shiba Inu soars. Now I see the last one. Here you can see the market is going to down randomly, and why the market going down. You can see this market technical analysis said the sell, and the analysis rating buy after the green color. So now the market is selling this position. You can take a sell if, and you can see this graph, hidden graph. So market is randomly going down. It's so hesitate. What's the market going on? And now the market is going to up sometimes ago. Look this market. Now the market price is 21,529.10 USD. Now the Bitcoin price is 20,529.10 USD. I think everybody like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and share your friends. Thank you.